Today we have the 2024 Ford Transit Custom Camper. This vehicle has done just over 6,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our cooker, sink and fridge just below. Behind me we have our first of 2 double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On our screen we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, 4-Pass Connect, emergency assistance, smartphone integration and mobile apps. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. Finally, if we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.